everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.
A woman who bears a lot of pain and gives birth to child and takes care of him or her so well, then why these women are
women?
ha ha ha, what a funny thing.
So I have been waiting for uploading this video since a long time, and I was just scared that maybe I get into a controversy or people start blaming me for something. And this is the reason that I want to post this video, because it feels like a burden to me and it shouldn't be. I was very scared to use the word feminism in a video, and I was scared because I thought that people might attack me for using this word, that how dare you use that word, how dare you are a feminist. So it feels like it's illegal, or it's a crime. This word feminism, feminist, this has become a really negative word nowadays, and I don't understand why. Maybe people don't understand the meaning of this word, and I'm not just talking about men. To be very honest, it's both about men and women. Both have misunderstood this word. Women are using it deliberately to attack a man, or a man is using this word to attack a woman. This word is nowadays used to attack each other, and again, I'm not talking about the men only. So the thing is, first you should know the meaning of feminist. Feminist is when you fight for the rights, and when you are like wanting the equality, and you don't want to be suppressed by someone. It's about females, you know. So the thing is, I saw a reel, and in that video this thing was asked that tell me the rights which man has and a woman does not have nowadays. And the woman was like, oh yeah, that's a difficult question, and this is quite like good question, and it should be focused on. So yes, I agree, and that is really, really good that women have the rights, that women have they have started getting into jobs, they have started working for themselves, they have become independent. It's really great. Who says that it's bad? But the thing is that we shouldn't forget that world is huge. There are millions of people, there are millions of girls, there are millions of boys. So we cannot judge the whole world based on few parts of the country, few parts of the world, few parts of the states, few villages, few communities. We cannot judge the whole world. And it works both positively and negatively. Negatively, that if something goes bad, some people are bad, so we cannot say that whole world is bad. But same way, if some people are good, we cannot say that whole country is good. For example, just I'm taking state X. State X has equal treatment of boys and girls. That's amazing. But state Y has some problems. That why state the women cannot do anything. Women are suppressed. Women are not given their rights. So X people can't say that there is feminism in the world, and nowadays feminism must not be there. X cannot say that. Same way, Y cannot say that feminism is not followed anywhere. Just understand the word and follow it wisely. And if men is feminist, that is the biggest support a women can get, when a man is feminist. Feminist is not a negative word. Feminist is a positive word, and some nations, some parts, some women really need our help. Yes, some women really need our help, because there was a time when they were not given the rights, when they were not meant equal to men. They were not given jobs, and women also should not use it badly, you should also use it wisely. Because some women, they feel like if you're a woman, if you're a girl, then it means you have every right in the world to bash a man. You also don't have any right. Yes, you have to respect men equally. We feel very, very overwhelmed when men support women. When women support women, this is really good. This is a huge, huge respect to all the women who support women. But when men support women, that respect goes here. So again, there is no offense to any gender. There is no offense to being a woman or being a man. I'm just offensive to humans. Humans, where are you going? You are the ones who have to support each other. Humans have brains of cranial capacity more than anyone in this world. So why to use that cranial capacity fighting feminism and all this shit? Why? I think we got to support each other and make this nation a better nation to live. Stop this feminism fight, please. I think we should not judge a whole group of people by just 2-3 people. We can't judge men from 2-3 men. We can't judge a whole group of women by just one woman. Dear men, don't forget that your sister, your mother, or your anybody, they are women. Women, do not forget your father, and your brother is bad men, because they are also group of men. If you're blaming men, then you're blaming your father and your brother too. Same goes for the males. If you're blaming whole group of women, same goes for your mother and sister too. So I guess feminism should be used in a good way, and please don't make a fun of it, and make it a better place to live in. Thank you so much.
Come on, we need your help. There are some places in the world where still women need you and feminism is needed. And the women, they are doomed to give birth to female girl, female child, and this is what we have to change.